Hi, Darren from Advantage Air here again. Welcome back. Last time I showed you the MyLights product and in particular the My Welcome feature and how that can prevent you from coming home to a dark house ever again. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate that. It's what we call the sunset feature. So what it does is as the sun goes down in my location, it turns on a pre-selected series of lights that I've chosen as one of my scenes. Let me show you how that works. So over here I'm going to press the edit button. I'm going to come down here and set my location. So I've got my postcode in there, and I hit save for that. Once I've done that, I need to choose what lights I want to have come on at sunset. So if I tick the box here, it's going to affect those lights. A tick means yes, it's going to change something. A yellow bar indicates that the light will be on. A grey bar indicates that the light will be off. Or I can untick the box and it means that that light won't be affected by the change at sunset. So we've talked about sunset, now let me tell you about sunrise, or what we call MyTime. What MyTime does is, instead of having an alarm clock scare you to death in the morning, the MyTime will turn on your room, or up to 4 rooms actually, in your home, starting at a very dim level and then slowly raising that brightness level. So it emulates a sunrise. So the way we do that on the home screen here, I'm just going to add another scene. I'm going to choose the room that I want it to occur in, and then I'm going to choose the time that I want that to happen. And that's it. That's saved now. So at 6:30 tomorrow morning, the lights are going to come on in my main bedroom at a very dim level and slowly raise themselves up. So that's sunrise and sunset. To find out more about our products, head to our website, advantageair.com.au, or head on down to one of our showrooms. The products are all on display. You can have a play yourself, and our friendly people are there to answer any questions you may have. Look forward to seeing you again soon.